Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's get into the discussion. Will we see $1 HBAR? Okay, and how soon will that happen? As well as kind of the gap that we're going to see potentially with the thought that USDT is leaving the EU. Will the HUSD, okay, Hedera stablecoin, fill the gap? That is the big headline of the day, but more so, we're going to get into the discussion if HBAR will see over a 200% gain up to $1 right now. We're going to be talking about it here on the channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new, this is a perfect opportunity. Make sure you all hit that like button and subscribe down below. It's a great time to be alive in the crypto space, so I appreciate you guys all choosing to rock with me here on the channel. Let's get into it. Let's talk some crypto, because I know that if you guys hold HBAR, you have been one happy camper lately, and that's a great thing to see, because I'll tell you one thing, for what I do on a day-to-day basis, it's a lot easier, and I should say it's a lot more enjoyable, making sure that you guys are all waking up to green days when we look at the crypto bubbles instead of those red ones that, quite frankly, some people look at as bad. I personally, right now in this market, when I see red bubbles, I get excited, because we are in the bull run, and that presents a very valuable time where we could possibly find entry points, okay? So let's get into it. As always, guys, remember, not financial advice. Please be sure to do your own research and due diligence, but let's talk some crypto, and let's dive right into it, because we have seen a lot more green here on the charts. And as we do so, I want to segue into kind of today's channel sponsor. If you guys do any spot or futures trading on an exchange, check out my link down below for CoinW. Right now, it's very, very important that you do so, because not only is this a top 15 exchange, right now they're offering free Pepe coin. It's an airdrop, $50, I believe. If you deposit 50, they will match that to 50 in Pepe coin. All you have to do is click my link that takes you over to a Telegram verification portal. Go verify, register using my affiliate code, and then within that verification, you send them your UID, and then it'll take you to a private Telegram group where there are daily trading signals. It's not financial advice. These are professional traders that basically are giving you their free alpha by registering using my link. You do get access, and that is something that you can take advantage of as a crypto trader. The only thing is with CoinW, make sure it's right for where you're located. Like I said, top 15 exchange. A lot of people are signing up, and it's something where if you do want to take your crypto trading to the next level, trade spot and futures within CoinW, just make sure it's right for you and where you're located, and start trading today. Understand their terms and conditions, okay? But back into HBAR, let's talk Hedera a little bit and look into it a little bit, up 5.3%. Pull up the trading view, full screen for you guys, and you can see kind of this massive, massive roller coaster of a last 2-3 years. And this is something where, guys, I've been telling you, if you've been watching my content, back when HBAR was 3-4 cents, okay? 3 to 4 cents. We did flash momentum up using my trading indicator. I shared with you guys why I was bullish on HBAR, and then boom. This isn't just a macro move where the rest of the market is pulling the weight and HBAR is just kind of, getting dragged along for the ride. It's not how it's working. HBAR is building something very, very much aligned with the future of digital currency, and it's something where if you weren't buying HBAR at 3-4 cents, you're probably not going to buy it at 31 cents, because you don't believe in the tech, you don't believe what they have to offer. And right now, this isn't a swing trader's crypto, okay? Sure, go make your gains. This is a long-term play for me. I believe in HBAR, very bullish on the technology. And now as we look kind of into the storyline here, as we look at an 18th ranked crypto, and over the past year, guys, up 12 spots in market cap, now just a tick below $12 billion. This is a potential for one of the, I think, storylines of 2025. Now, let's get into the reasoning. And before we talk about that price prediction getting to $1, and make sure you guys stick around to the end, because I'll share with you guys kind of my thoughts as we get out of here, okay? I want to kind of leave the gap open, right? Can the HUSD fill that gap left by the USDT EU exit? Now, this is going to be a brief headline, guys, but this is something that will cause a lot of volume. If HUSD can pick up where the USDT left off, okay, that's something where you look at the fact that it's a MyCar compliant stablecoin, and according to credible sources, HBAR is launching that EU MyCar compliant stablecoin, the HEUSD. That's going to be something very huge. Now, this will be something, as Tether is basically delisted on the 31st of December. We'll see what happens. If this can help grow with adoption of HBAR's numbers as the EU imposes a lot of tighter crypto regulations, I should say, this is the next step as stablecoins continue their resurgence, right? We've seen RLUSD kind of being teased by XRP, getting approval in kind of that offering. It has not launched, but it has gotten that approval. We'll see what happens, okay? But the HBAR futures have seen open interest remain kind of on a higher note, despite seeing the volume being low. So we'll see what happens as the HUSD kind of starts to take off, all right? But more so, we came here to talk about $1 HBAR. That's what you guys are here for. That's what you guys want to see. And as we look at HBAR currently on the charts, as we talk about 31 cents HBAR, can that happen? All right, can that happen? I will preface this discussion by saying I do not have a crystal ball. This is not financial advice. If you're watching this video and you're looking for someone here on YouTube that's going to tell you to buy HBAR, we're going to $1, you're not going to find that here, okay? And quite frankly, you shouldn't be. You should be making your own decisions because no one can do what's best for you financially except yourself. But I will tell you guys one thing. HBAR is one of those cryptos that I'm a believer in. I personally am close with people that I know that I've been riding the HBAR wave for years now, and this is a crypto that I'm bullish on. And I was talking about HBAR on this channel, and I know that the HBAR army is vibrant, right? You guys are full of steam. It's a great community because in the bear market, one of the communities that I remember mostly from, I could talk about any other thing I talk about. If you guys watch my channel, you know which cryptos I talk about, okay? And it didn't matter which crypto, there was always bears out there saying, oh, we're going to zero. Why do I hold this coin? Worst coin in crypto. I've heard it all. But for some reason, the HBAR community has always been full of fire and enthusiasm for where Hedera is going in the hash graph, okay? So to get to $1, we have to go up over 2.5%. We have to increase 215% or more. A lot of people are saying that it's stalled out. Well, I mean, geez, oh man. I mean, you can't talk about a more hotter crypto getting almost over 8x since November, okay, in just a 1 month time period. So I challenge you guys, go find a traditional financial vehicle that you can get over 800% gains in just less than 1 month in time, okay? You're not going to find it unless it's something crazy that, quite frankly, you don't have, the normal everyday person doesn't have access to. You guys have access to HBAR. You can go on any numerous exchange, any kind of, service provider, whatever, and get access to HBAR. You can do this right now. It's crazy to think about the mind-blowing gains that people have been experiencing as HBAR is up over 8x in just less than a month, okay? This is coming out from All In Crypto, right? Won't be long before HBAR starts moving up again towards $1. The continuation pattern is present, giving us now a confluence of patterns taking us towards that $1, okay? We have a larger double bottom place in place, and now as more analysts are starting to get on board, and this is what I'm talking about. If you guys don't subscribe and you don't turn on that notification bell, you probably won't even hear me talking about HBAR because all the big boys are going to be talking about it and phasing me out as competition for HBAR here on YouTube is going to surmount, okay? So if you want to know more, you want to come here for your HBAR news, great. Let me know that you appreciate it down below in the comments and make sure that notification bell is turned on, okay? A couple other catalysts that we want to talk about. Right now, the open interest, in my opinion, is what's driving HBAR, okay? People are betting big on the tech. They're betting big on the future of HBAR, and that's going to be enough to take us to $1, in my opinion. But some other catalysts that kind of play into that is the fact that the Hashgraph in their rising hopes for an HBAR fund, pledging over $1 billion in assets from Valor Funds. That's going to be something in terms of the potential for an ETF or an exchange-traded product, maybe not even an ETF, maybe an ETP within the abroad markets, okay? That's something where we can look into that. An ETF is possible as well. You never know where that's going to head. But also, guys, the biggest thing right now we're talking about is kind of seeing the traction that we're getting in the DeFi, okay? The DeFi side of HBAR showing that the TVL has jumped almost $200 million, much higher than what we saw back in January, which was only $53 million, so dwarfing that number in itself. And right now, we're seeing a lot of demand within the futures market now, as open interest is over $326 million. Okay. So these metrics, what I'm talking to you guys about on the charts, everything along those lines, couple that with what we have potentially within the stablecoin, as well as kind of just the bullishness that 2025 is going to occur within the broader crypto market. $1 HBAR, sure, I'm down with that. Okay. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you guys, hey, sell everything you own, go buy HBAR. We're going to $1 soon. That's not my job. You guys have to do what's best for you. I'll never tell you to buy or sell a crypto. I will just tell you that in my crypto trading, my day-to-day, HBAR is on my short list of cryptos that I'm most bullish about for 2025. Okay. With that, I'll leave you. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you check out the links down below if you want to get signed up with any of the exchanges I offer, as well as our friends there at CoinW. Remember to follow those instructions, and by doing so, you can have access to that private trading group there on Telegram. Great alpha, great stuff, and the best part about it is totally free, okay? Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you all in the next video. Subscribe down below. Cheers.